Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the Haram meter filter on TikTok. Really easy and simple to do. The only kicker about it is you do have to go on Instagram to get the filter first. So we'll go over to Instagram really quickly and I'll show you how to get that. So we just open up Instagram and head over to the Discover page. And you want to go to the top search bar and search the account called AFG. So just literally AFG. And then you go over to his filters and you see the Haram meter filter. So all you need to do here is you need to try it. So click on try it, and then you just need to record a quick video. So let's record a 2-second video here. Just like that. Video here. And once you do that, you just need to click on the download button beside the little X button on the top. And that will save it to your camera roll. So now we can exit out of Instagram and head over to TikTok. And all we're going to do here is just let me exit out of this really quick. So we're going to go to your create a new TikTok. And you just click on upload. Click on the video that you made. 2-second video here. Select. And then we just click on next. 2-second video here. Next. And next. And as you guys see here, you're able to upload the video that you just made with the filter on it. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.